Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kaami. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video of mine. In today's video, I will be unboxing my sewing machine that I got a few months ago. I just felt like unboxing and setting it up on camera. I just wanted to show you guys what it's like to unbox a sewing machine and set it up, and I'm doing this all on my own. So maybe one day, if like you got a sewing machine or something, you would know how to set it up. You could avoid some mistakes I made or whatever. You know, I'm here for you guys. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please do that right now. Have you done it? If you have, thank you. Thank you so much. So let's get into the video. So this is what it looks like. It's all dusty and stuff. This is what it looks like. This is the front. So when you open it, you see these. Wait, what's this? Oh wait, hold up. What's this? Oh, it's to cover the sewing machine. So yeah, you get something to cover the sewing machine. Instruction manual. No, this is a lot. I'll definitely take my time to go through it. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, now let's take it out of the box. So I just took it out of the box. It's very heavy. Okay, this is also in the box. Ow, that hurts. Okay, this is the pedal for the machine. You plug it in, step on the pedal, and the machine will, you know. This is cool. I'll figure out how to connect it later. This is the actual sewing machine. This is what it looks like. This machine is so beautiful. It's so clean and sleek. I really like it. So now what? Now I have to figure out how it works. I have to read the instruction manual. Ooh, okay. They told me congratulations. Thank you. See? Congratulations. These are the details of the machine. They're basically showing where everything is and what it's called. So now I'm going to attempt to plug the machine. So this is what's used to plug the machine. Okay. Let me just drop this on the ground first. It's a two-way street. So this part goes into the back of the machine. I think I should just keep it faced this way. Okay. I think it's in. It's not going any further in, so. Then this, I'll plug it down here. Okay. Ooh, do you guys see this? See the lights? See, it's lit up. That's so cool. I have to keep the machine faced this way because of the length of this pedal. I have to keep it like this actually. In case you guys didn't know, this regulates the speed of the sewing machine. It regulates how fast or slow this comes down. The machine is currently on. This is off. This is on. Okay, so it's already off. Yeah, I'm taking out the stuff that they put there. Let's cut this. Yo. Let me show you guys like this. See the pedal? The harder you press, the faster it goes. I don't know what you're sewing that you're going to be sewing that fast, but yeah. Since I'm done with the machine, I'm going to try and cover it. I'm going to cover it. I'm not going to try and cover it. Yes, this is what the machine looks like once it's covered. You can see it in the mirror. Yeah. This is what it looks like. If you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video with this beautiful new sewing machine that I am very, very excited to use. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you come back for more videos, because this channel, you will never know what to expect. You never know what's coming next, because I have a lot of interests, so I will be displaying all those many interests onto this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Do the needful. Do the needful. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.